Hi, Dav here, and today we have a new episode in the channel, and today we're going to do a comparison of the Arrtx Acrylic marker set. This one does have 60 colors. I do believe this was the first set of acrylic markers sent over by Arrtx. You know, they've sent me a couple of different types and sets as well, but this is the first one. And now they have a new version. It's I believe, that essentially the same pack, but the box is much smaller, it's more compact, so it doesn't like wiggle around. That's my assumption anyway. Because if you look at this older one, let me just open it up, it does wiggle around more, and I think that was a common complaint. Right now, just trying to shake the box a bit, I think it has a little bit of that. I'm not sure because I haven't even opened it up yet, but apparently it's a new version. It's pretty much the same marker set, but it's much more just compact. And I believe they also did something with the labeling, like you don't have to use or add stickers anymore, because for this sort of version, the original one, they sort of give you like a sticker pack, and then you have to attach like the number thingies yourself, which I do find is very inconvenient. But I believe they did change that for this version. So let me just try opening this with a scissor. They're kind of I'm kind of seeing this for the first time. So it still has the plastic on. Oh my! Oh, I hurt my hand. By the way, this came in about a month ago, but things happen. So yeah, I'm actually glad Arrtx sent me an email asking me, where's the the review? Because we sent you a set about a month ago. So my bad. If you're Arrtx, my bad. Because I also have another set of markers from a different brand, acrylic markers as well, but I also have to do a review of that. So maybe we can do a comparison between this and that, but I'll do that in a different video. Right now we're comparing like this old version, the original one anyway, and this new set. Okay, if you look at the packaging, it's essentially the same, like the colors and such. I think it's mostly about, you know, I do like stuff like these where they iterate it bit by bit, where you don't have to wait for too long before they update the product. So it's kind of like they're kind of evolving the product over time depending on user feedback, which I think it's nice because it shows that someone is actually listening, right? So let me just throw this plastic away. There you go. Size wise, yeah, not that bad. It's shorter, a little bit thicker, sure, but it's definitely more space friendly. So let me see the insides. I'm gonna open it. Oh, okay. Does it wiggle? It does, but it doesn't wiggle too much. Look at that. Wait, it does have like a paper here. Let me just see this. Oh, it still has a sticker. But the ones, oh right, the ones here, it's already like in the back part. We'll use a different marker. My bad. How about this guy? Yeah. Can you even see it? There you go. Like this is not a sticker. It's been imprinted on the actual marker. I mean, they still have this. It's the larger stickers, but I don't think it's as necessary. I mean, even for this version, the older one, I skipped the larger stickers, like this one as well. I think I threw it away. I just added these ones. Just because I don't often see them in this position anyway, because when I'm trying to pick out a marker, I just look at the top or the ends of these markers instead of the side. So I do think this is a good choice. Do you need this though? I don't know. Maybe as a bonus, sure. But you know, it's nice to have something extra. But yeah, I'm glad. So it's true that they've updated it. In terms of the labeling, you no longer need to add the stickers for this part anyway in the ends. And if you wait, let me just see this other piece of paper. Oh, they do give a thank you card. Very cool. So anyway, let's compare the wiggling of this guy. Can you even see it? There you go. See, look at how it moves around too much. It's kind of annoying when you try to pick a marker out and you try to put it back in and it keeps wiggling around. Like you don't even know where the hole is. if you know what I mean. You know, I'm not gonna dive into that, but anyway, if you look at this guy, it does wiggle a little bit, but it's like when I take it out, the hole or the space is clearly more observable, so it's easier to put back in, right? Compared to this guy, sorry, let me show you. Compared to this guy, like when I pick something out and when I try to put it back in, like I don't even know where it's going. Like I have to put my head literally on top of this set. See, I have to actually bend it this way so it faces my actual face, and then I can finally see that hole. But for this guy, you don't have to do anything. Like it's very compact. I do like this version better, so kudos to Arrtx for making that adjustment. And I mean, for this slight wiggle, I think it's not bad. It's pretty cool. It's almost like aesthetic, right? Kind of pretty. But I do believe it's essentially the same marker. They just made the these two adjustments. I believe the two major ones, the stickers in the back, are already printed in. And the packaging, no more wiggling, no more. It's a lot more organized, a lot more stable, less chaotic. Look at that, it's not bad. I do like it. So what we're gonna do next, I'm not sure if I'm just gonna do this for this video. I think I'm gonna do like a batch where I do a bunch of sketches with these markers. Yeah. So, but for right now, for this section of the video anyway, that's pretty much the major differences between these two types of markers. We have this guy. I'm going to show you. This guy, right? The old version. 60 colors. Sometimes they advertise it as the anime set, right? It comes in this purple packaging. And then we have a new one. Pretty much the same thing, just with those two major differences. The stickers imprinted on the actual marker, and the less and the more compact sort of storage system that they have. So in terms of the size difference, the newer version definitely is a lot more smaller, more tighter. It's a little wider, sure. Look at the thick. Let me just show you this side. Oh, you can't even see it. It's slightly thicker, but it's definitely shorter on this end. Look at that, it's not bad. Pretty cool. So I'm glad that I have these two sets now. Definitely a better upgrade. So if you haven't bought this guy in the past, they have a new version which you can buy right now. So I'm going to link any links from Arrtx, and I'm going to place them in the description below so you can check them out. And yeah, so expect in the following videos, I'm probably going to put it in the art session series. We're going to be doing a bunch of quick drawing sketches with these markers, right? Oh, and we're going to be using this sketchpad also by Arrtx as well. I have a larger version. Let me just show you. My bad, I'm back. So I have this larger version. It's like an A4, or like you can't even see it at this point because, oh my god, let me just put this back. We have an A4 size and we have an A5 size. So I do prefer the A5 just because it's a lot more compact. Let me just show you some of the sketches I've done from these reviews. Okay, I'm gonna skip the ugly pages just because, I mean, look at this guy. Alright, now this one, it's just pencil, graphite, and color pencil. But it's pretty good. It's like a mixed media pad, so we're gonna be using this specific. Oh, this is from the Evangelion chick. It's kind of pink, but yeah, I kind of wish I skipped the skin part because I have no idea how to paint tones or skin tones. But we have a couple more here on the past episodes, right? Pretty cool. Because right now I do have like a bunch of pages, tabs open on Pinterest. So we're gonna be doing like a long study session or a series of like sketches or a series of sketch study sessions. But we're gonna be using these bad boys, these acrylic markers by Arrtx to do those studies. So yeah, we have lots more pages here, right, to work on. So we're gonna be using this guy, and yeah, so If you haven't subscribed, follow along and hit that subscribe button. Hit like, please. And yeah. So I think I'm going to do this video first. And then after the series of sketches with these markers, I'm going to do another product review video. But it's more of a compilation or a final thoughts on this product. I think that's way better instead of waiting for a week, the entire week to do the video. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to work on the next episode. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.